So here's how to use couple photo on Gemini AI. First up, you need to head over to gemini.google.com, and as you can see, we're already here. Make sure that you're logged in on Gemini, and now on the dashboard, click on the plus icon right under the text input field, then click on Upload Files. From here, choose the couple photo that you want and click on Open. And as you can see, the image is now being uploaded. Here, put in the prompt that you want and click on the Submit button. After that, your edited image will start being generated. Sometimes it may take a little while, but usually it only takes a couple of seconds. And once the image has been generated, you can just scroll down and view it. You can compare it with the previous one, and if you're satisfied with the result, you can click on the download icon on the top right corner of the image to download it onto your device. This way, you can put in whatever prompt that you want to edit it according to your preference. And that is exactly how to use couple photo on Gemini AI.